Yeah, you can go ahead and throw it on out there a little bit. Got amberjacks all over the place here.
All right, now you want me to hook one up?
Just go ahead and try and tease them. Pop it. They're all going to it right now. We're trying to tease them.
I can't believe you didn't get it.
You go ahead and do it again. If you hook one now, it's no big deal. We're away from the wreck enough. We're in about a 30-pound amberjack. A big school of them. There he goes. Customer hooked up. We're actually out here teasing these things away from the wreck. And they're following the boat like a pack of dogs. 12 miles out of Wrightsville Beach. If you want to take that bluefish and just drop him in the live well, okay. If you can do it, fine. If not, no big deal. We're using bluefish on the surface, just hanging it off the side of the boat to use it as a teaser to bring these guys away from the wreck, along with big surface plugs about 12 to 14 inches long. We're using the Williamson surface plugs. The amberjacks just love them. If he goes around the back, you can go all the way around the back with him. We got him still following the boat. Tomorrow I will have some fly rod action. All I have with me right now is a 7-weight, which is doable on maybe a 20-pound fish, but not the smartest thing.
I gained, just went back out.
This is a give and take relationship here. Pound for pound for just an awesome fish. It's hard to beat these guys. Doing good. Pump and reel, pump and reel. Perfect. Hear the other boat over there? That amberjack, he's got trouble now.
There's no give.
Yeah. These fish have no quit in them.
No, they don't.
That one should be about done.
Fish has got to be getting tired. Two of them down there. You see the other one with him?
Is there a second one? He's got a friend?
See right behind him?
Yep.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, there's all kinds of them. There's 2 or 3 behind him there.
Gosh.
All right, as soon as he gets tired, I'll come grab him.